If Character.AI is not working on your iPhone, it can happen for several reasons, but each one has a simple fix. The most common issue is server overload or downtime, where the app does not load properly because too many users are online. This usually fixes itself if you wait and try again later. Or you can check the server status of Character.AI. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website like Town Detector. Search for Character.AI. If you found out any server outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Another reason could be a weak or unstable internet connection, which you can fix by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. If the app is outdated, it may also stop working correctly, so updating it from the App Store or Play Store is important. Sometimes the problem is just a temporary glitch or corrupted cache, which can be solved by restarting your phone or reinstalling the app. In some cases, iOS updates can cause compatibility issues, so keeping your iPhone updated helps. Lastly, you can completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.